So I have been making quite a lot of videos on this Samsung Galaxy M20, and this is the best budget smartphone that Samsung has to offer right now. And it has 5000 mAh battery, comes with very good fast charger which comes inside the box. So that's why in this video we are going to do the charging test. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a charging test of Samsung Galaxy M20. Let's begin. So first of all guys, if you wanna be my friend or just wanted to see behind the scene of this channel, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The handle is Tech Buffet. With that said, let me give you a small disclaimer over here that right now the phone is turned on and Wi-Fi is also turned on. So yeah, it affects the charging time. So please do mind that. It has 5000 mAh battery. Then we will going to charge it with the stock charger which Samsung has provided, which has output rating of 9 volt, 1.67 ampere or 5 volt 2 ampere. So yeah, with that said, let's connect the charger and start the stopwatch. By the way, it has a USB Type-C port. So yeah, thank you so much Samsung. So it's been 17 minutes guys, and in 17 minutes it's 19% charged. Not bad at all, huh? So guys, it's been half an hour and it's 29% charged. Wow, 1% per minute, not bad. So guys, it's been 1 hour and it's 54% charged. Good. So guys, it's been 1 hour 30 minutes and it's 79% charged. Impressive. So guys, finally it's 100% charged and it took around 2 hours to completely charge it, and it is one of the most impressive speed that I have found in the budget segment devices. I mean, especially if you consider the Samsung smartphone. It's a 5000 mAh battery. So guys, you have to take care of that thing too. So yeah, as per my conclusion, this is a very good speed to charge your smartphone. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. If you found this video helpful, then hit that like button. Share this video with your friends who are looking to purchase this smartphone. And if you want to purchase this smartphone and if you want to help the channel out, go ahead and purchase it with my link, which is present in the description box below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment if you have any suggestion, queries or question. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.